On today's episode of auto transporters that shouldn't have driver's license, that just so also happen to be not American, more than likely. Loaded a truck and trailer right there, trashed the yard, mud clods, no big deal. See part 2. I don't know what in the world this knucklehead did, but he turned around in this poor guy's driveway, which is brand new, along with the yard. See the mud? There's mud clods the size of my size 13 boot. Look at this. Look at that hole. Could lay down in that hole. It's a foot deep. Whole way down through the grass that's trying to grow. You can see tire tracks. We're back down around here, or back through here or something, and you can see where he backed and then drove it up over there. Look at that. I mean, this is so soft I can't walk without sinking. So you also can see his tire track here, where he completely trashed this with, I mean, that's a foot deep. So he got stuck, unloaded the big truck, got the truck and trailer out, and then parked here. You can see the mud tracked everywhere. That's where he pulled out onto the road. Then he restrapped, or put the truck on the trailer here, strapped it down.